Now I want to show how to solve the Rubik cube, how I solve the Rubik cube. You can see right now it is totally scrambled, and my first task is to get a green cross, and all these must match the must on the correct side. So here I go. Okay, you can see now I've got a green cross, and it matches uh, each each side of the green matches the on is on the right side. This should be white, and this should be uh, orange. So I've got a green cross. My next task is to get the green corners. The green corners, and here I go. Now I've got the green correct. That means the first level is correct, and you can see the center piece also matches. So my next task is to get. I'm turning this around. My next task is to get the second level. Correct. For example, this should be white is correct, but red is not. So the white and red uh, must come to this side. And similarly, this is red and yellow, so it must come to this side. There's the red and the yellow should be here. So all the corner pieces must be matching the right color. So I'm now going to get the 4 second level corners correct. So this should be red, and this should be white, and this one should be this is correct, but this one should be orange. So I have to find the right piece to put in the corner, and here I go. Okay, here you are. You can see the second level is now correct. So I have got two layers correct, and my next layer is to get the blue correct, and I will start by forming a blue cross. And the steps I'm going to do will be as follows. I've got a blue cross. but it doesn't match the correct color. It means that I have to move these 4 pieces so that they will match the color on the side. And this is how I'm going to move these 4 pieces to match the right, to be on the right side. So here you are. My blue cross have all the side matching. That means all the 4 pieces are in the correct place. So my last task is to get all the 4 blue corners correct. And my first task is to get the piece in the right corner but not in the same orientation. So this is how I get, for example, this one is correct, means it's the red matches and the white matches, but this one doesn't. This one is you can see the this is orange, yellow, and blue, and the orange, yellow, and blue must come to this corner. Must come to this corner because it's orange, yellow, and blue. So this one has to come to here. So these 3 pieces have to move in the correct corner first, and this is what I do. Okay, I can now see this is in the correct. This is in the correct corner, and this one is in the correct corner, but I need to twist for the blue to be at the top. Otherwise, the colors are correct. Similarly, this is already correct. Correct corner and correct orientation. This is correct corner, but I have to twist for the blue to be at the top. So I only need to get these 2 twisted with the blue at the top, and that will finish the puzzle. And this is how I'm going to do it. Alright, you can see it's now all okay, and if I push this here, and there you are. I've completed the Rubik cube.